Shako Mako, everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Joe Austin. Today we're going to talk about a software for video editing. Stay tuned. So today's software we're going to talk about Movavi. Movavi, it's one of those software that you purchase it once and it's yours for eternity. Of course, every year they come up with a new version. It's supposed to be improved and better, but I still use the one from 2018 and it's still do pretty good. It has everything you need. It's not professional editing, so keep in mind the software we're talking about today. It's not similar to Adobe Premiere or Final Cut. It's a simpler, more easy software to use, not complicated. It's for families, for beginners, and for YouTubers. It just, if you want to just put stuff together and that's it. Of course, for today's video, I downloaded the new version, which is the 2022. It gives you 7 days trial, so you can try it before you buy it. Let's see if I can do my editing on this software with color grading and all these other stuff. Now we're gonna go to the app. So I downloaded the 2022 edition. It gives you 7 days trial to try it before you buy it, just so we can be up to date. I have the 2018 version. It works just fine. The new one, it has a new feature, which is they optimize the videos. So right now I have two clips. One of them is about 11 gigabyte, the other one is about 7. They shot with a Sony A7iii, S-Log2, so it's really big file and has a lot of details. So what they do, they optimize the file to HD. Of course, it's 4K 24. So they optimize it to HD. This way, it can run a lot smoother. It takes some time, but that's fine. You can take off that option if you have a really powerful PC that can run it without. But even if you have a really powerful PC, it will still be a little bit laggy. So the best option is just to wait for it to optimize it. And while it's do that, let's go and take a look about some of the features that it's provided by this app. So over here we have the scale, which is to go like zoom in into the clip. You can, if you want to make cuts and stuff. Let's go. Over here you have camera shake, which is stabilization, broken lens. So all these are filters, pre-installed presets, are pretty cool. And we have these, all these adjustments, all different kind of filters. And of course you can favor them. This way you can like use them real fast. Color filters, we have flying objects, lights. Okay, let's go to transitions. So for transitions, the cool thing about it is once you click on the transition, it shows you what kind of transition you're getting. This way you don't continue to try them. You can just click on it and see which one you would like. And of course there is a lot of transitions. I'm gonna pick one from each category. Circular. So we have this called matrix. So bigger blocks, smaller blocks. That's pretty cool. Okay, so there is actually transitions with audio. That's a really heartbeat with faded. That's pretty cool. There you go. We did the other day a glitch effect, how you can make the glitch effect. Over here, it's already set with an audio or sound effect. So you can just put it between clips and there you go. You got a glitch effect. It's just like that. So that's really helpful. Speedy. Okay. It's still optimizing my clips. Over here we have titles. Of course, it shows you the title over here as well, so it's pretty cool. I used to, when I first started, I have a few videos, I have this at the beginning as the title of the video, so it's pretty cool. And they have a bunch of these titles. Let's see. And that's what I like about it the most, is once you select something, keep looking at the screen. Once you select something, it shows you a clip of it, like how it's gonna work, so you can see if this is gonna work for you or not before you apply it. Of course, we have text. That's cool. Okay, so title, something maybe. Okay, and we have this one, it's like name tag. So if you want to do introduction to yourself, you don't want to say it. For example, at the beginning of the episode, I say, hello, this is Joey Austin. Maybe I can skip saying that and just have it say Joey Austin there. These are the same. So that's pretty cool. And also there is all these kind of stickers. You can add it to your video. Of course, they don't move. So just like pictures, you can stick them over there. And okay, let's see what we have. So we have color adjustments, cropping, overlay, pan zoom. Okay, that's cool. So pan and zoom, it's like if you want to have the clip and then just move in the direction that you want. I mean, I do it in LumaFusion, but this is just like, it's there. So you just click on it and it do it for you. Stabilization, if you have a shaky image, you go over here. Highlight and conceal, this is like if you want to blur something, like if you want to beep a word and you cover the mouth, that's where you go. Chroma key, that's where you can like clear green screen and stuff like that. Scene detection. So scene detection is automatically detect changes in a video scene and cut the video into separate clips according to these changes. So I don't know, does it edit for you? We'll have to give it a try. We have a logo if you want to add logo to your video, and we have a slow motion. And of course there is all these sound adjustments, like you have sound autocorrect, sound effect, equalizer, noise removal, noise gate, compressor, reverberation, okay, beat detection, synchronization. Okay, so let's speed it up till the optimizer are done. Now that the optimization is done, we can play it really smoothly. It's just like watching a video. So let's try moving forward, backward. All good. So that's how it works. If you want to work on a really heavy file, you're gonna have to optimize it. Let me try to work on it without the optimization. So I just turn it off. Let's play the file. So it takes a few seconds until it starts playing. Once it does, it continues until you stop it. If you move forward, backward, take like a couple of seconds. Okay, So for me, even without the optimization, it still works. So I don't need to optimize it, but I did it anyway just so I can show you guys. For a video that long, it took me about 20 minutes to optimize it. Like I said, it's like 11 gig with 7 gigs, so that's like 18 gig of S2 log or S-Log2 on the Sony A7 III, 40K 24 frame per second. So huge file. Took 20 minutes to optimize it. After that, it's a smooth, and that's probably if you have like a slower PC. If you have a good powerful PC for editing, you probably don't need to optimize it. You can just edit it as is. So the last part of the edit is the export. So let's go and do the export. Of course, with the trial version, you'll be having a watermark and it will be missing some features. We're gonna save it anyway just to see the speed of the video. Of course, if you have you can give it a try, edit a video, save it, see if it works for you, if it's fast, if you can do all these edits. And then if you buy the full version, you can just put the key and resave that video, and you'll have it without the watermark. So, but for now, just want to see. I'm just gonna leave it as new project. We're gonna put it on high. Of course, I like to go to Sony 4K for the edits. That's usually what I export with. So we have 7 minutes 39 seconds, 2.85 gig. Let's see how long it will take. So 9 minutes to export the S-Log 4K 24 frame from Sony A7 III. It's not bad. It's actually not bad. So we don't have to wait. I'll just tell you the exact number, how long it took for it to actually export that file. So let's fast forward. There you go, guys. This is the Movavi, the software for video editing. It's 45 bucks. It's not, I'm not sponsored by it. I use it. I used to use it before I learned about LumaFusion. So if you have an iPad, Mac, then you're good. Just get the LumaFusion. But if you're on Windows and you don't want to spend a lot of money on Adobe Premiere subscription, and this is a one-time purchase, you can buy it and it's yours forever. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. I hope you learned something. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you next one.